everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating this soft rosy makeup look. This look is so simple but still gorgeous that can be worn on any daytime occasion as well as on daily basis too, especially when you don't have much time in your hand but you still want to look presentable. And this look is something which is going to suit a lot of skin tone. Now let's create this gorgeous rosy makeup look. To prep my skin, I'm using Nykaa Skin Potion Facial Oil. I really like this facial oil range from Nykaa because it is non-oily and it hydrates your skin nicely. If you want a facial oil which doesn't make your skin greasy, this can be a nice option for you. For primer, I'm using Prep Me Up Face Primer again from Nykaa. If you don't have enlarged pores or you don't want to use primer, then you can definitely skip this step. But my skin is oily to normal, so I cannot go without using a primer. To give that extra glow to this look, I'm going to use this liquid highlighter from Swiss Beauty. I'm only using this on my cheeks and bit of it on my forehead. It will make my skin look glowy and dewy. Now it's time for the complexion, and today I'm only using a concealer for my base. This is Milani Concealer plus Perfect Longwear Concealer. Generally, we don't have much time to blend the foundation and concealer individually. Concealer is the best option for that time. It covers up all your blemishes and gives you a nice thin coverage as well. To set the concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm first applying this under my eyes and then lightly I'm going to go all over my face. Using Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil, I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm not going to overdraw my brows, just filling the sparse areas that I have. Then I'm using Wet n Wild Megaglo Contouring Palette to give some dimension to my face. I'm not a big fan of contouring, so I'm only going to do a very subtle contouring. For mascara, I'm using Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Volumizing Mascara. For this look, I'm not going to do any eye makeup, so mascara is going to lift my eyes. Using Maybelline Fit Me Blush, I'm going to give some rosy color to my cheeks. I have been using this blush continuously more than a month now, and this is a beautiful rosy blush which will suit most of the Indian skin tone. To highlight my highest points, I'm going to use Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter, another beautiful product from Maybelline. I feel Maybelline has one of the best products when it comes to the base. I highly recommend this highlighter. To finish up the look, first I'm lining my lips. And then I'm using Lakme Enrich Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Baby Pink. This gives you a nice rosy pink lips. You can obviously use any other lipstick that you have. And this is the final finished look. I haven't used too many products and I feel this will go with any outfit. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please give a thumbs up to this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you so much and I see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.